Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to show network speed on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the Play Store app on your smartphone. Now in the search bar, just search this. Now just install this app on your smartphone. Now it will take a few seconds to install this app on your smartphone, and once the app is fully downloaded, just tap on open. From here, just tap on grant permission and tap on allow. Now as you can see, the network speed has appeared on the status bar of our smartphone, just like that. And this is how you can show network speed on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.